Hi everyone, welcome to the Social Tip Podcast. This is the video edition, and today we're going to cover social media cleanup, which is just in time for the new year. We are December 31st today, and it has been a whirlwind in our house in Whistler with guests and holiday parties and skiing and so on. And trust me, I get it. We do not have that much time to focus on our social media accounts, even if we know it is crucial for a business. So here's what I came up with to help you start the new year with a fresh start. What to do, 5 steps to set you up for success for the year to come. So the notes, I'm looking at my computer because all the notes are on my website. I've created a blog at catherineair.ca with all the show notes and how-to videos to help you out. So the first tip is delete, organize your photos, videos, and accounts. So we all have tons of photos and videos on our phone. We have different folders with or Dropbox folders, Google Drive folders, and so on. So it's a good time to delete what you don't use, especially videos. Videos are really big files. Photos, old photos you're not going to use. Go through, you don't need to necessarily spend like days doing this, but do at least a 10-minute to set up a system, see what works best, and delete and organize your images and all your collaterals. Knowing where to find your videos and your best photos and videos is going to save you so much time. So try to figure out a success that works good, transferring images from mobile to desktop and so on, and being able to post from your phone or your desktop. It's going to save you so much time. So take it 10 minutes and clean things up. Number 2, review your analytics. The great thing with social media advertising or even organic posting is you have access to analytics. Everything is being tracked, engagements, video views, time, so on, reach, etc. So look in your Facebook analytics and your Instagram insights. And I have videos, if you go to my blog, you'll see them on how to do this. This is something you should do at least once a month, but really at least once a year. Go over your analytics and see what content are people engaging with the most, what's working, what's not working, and what are people most interested in. Learn from your data. You want to learn from what your audience is interested in and recreate similar data or learn from it for future posts. If you're brand new, you can look at leaders in your industry or competitors, see what they are doing, what's working, not just what you think it's the best or what people are liking the most, but what are people engaging with and what questions people are asking. Maybe you can answer that. So review your analytics and learn from it. The third thing is to create SMART goals. So we teach that in strategy, but it's not necessarily having more followers. You want to look at the SMART goal as something that would be SMART. So specific, measurable, attainable, that's the best one, relevant, and time-based. This is a classic marketing acronym, but what could that be? You can decide, okay, well, I'm going to use social media to increase traffic to my website. You can have the most amazing website. If you don't promote it somewhere, not that many people are going to go to it. So you can use social media to maybe drive traffic to your website. You might want to grow your email database. Remember, you do not own social media, but you own your website and your email database. So you really want to take good care of that. Can use social media to be known. Like, what can you do to differentiate yourself? You can decide maybe one of your goals for the new year is to try something new, like try going live or doing stories or doing an Instagram reel, doing video. You can decide to maybe showcasing more, be more part of your community, sharing content, going out there. You can decide to start advertising, or maybe be more social and engaging, or use social media to find a way to increase leads and sales. So think about what can my goals be for the new year and pick 1 or 2 and then see in a month where you're at and keep looking at your analytics and see how you're tracking with your goals. So number 4 is plan, create, and please schedule some of your content. So if you want to kickstart your social media for the new year, it is super important that you have some sort of a strategy and that you know how to schedule your content in advance. I have some videos that teach you how to do a simple social media strategy and also how to use Facebook Meta Business Suite to schedule your content on Facebook and Instagram. By all means, go check it out. They're short, easy videos to follow, but scheduling and batching your content will ensure that you have consistency in your posting. You can set up maybe 1 hour at the beginning of the week to organize your social media accounts and plan, even if it's just to schedule 1 post a week to start with, but to know that you have quality content and you're consistent. So scheduling is key. And the 5th one is I've put stay stoked and community is key. It's really hard, even if you're super keen and motivated right now, it's really hard to stick to it. And it's the same with all resolutions. So I found that what really motivates me if I keep watching video and stay educated on the topics that I like. So I listen to a lot of podcasts, I watch YouTube videos, and I'm also part of a community. Like I talk to like-minded business people, even if it's just in Facebook groups or in different chats. So I keep motivated. So remember that we are here for you. You can go on my social media accounts. If you have any questions, you can go to Instagram and send me a DM and follow the conversation on our different Facebook groups. Now, bonus, so I mentioned it earlier, if you really want to change something, and that's the funny kind of saying, is that if you keep the same thing, doing the same thing over and over, you're always going to have the same results. So if you want to see something new on your accounts, try something new. So I mentioned maybe trying an Instagram reel, maybe trying going live. And if you're like, I'm not sure, I don't know what to do, it's okay. Reach out to me and there's a chance that either me or my business partner, Heather, have a video on this and we can totally coach you. We do private coaching. We can help you through this. I hope this helps, my little tips. As I mentioned, all the show notes are on my website at catherineair.ca under the blog, and you'll see social media cleanup or social media kickstart. Everything is out there. And the last but not least, I am working on a new course that's going to be the 6 steps to social media success, where I review in about 55 minutes. I go over, so short and sweet, to the point. I go over planning your content. What are you going to talk about? I go over creating content, quality content that's going to resonate with your audience, how to schedule your content, how to advertise, how to engage and be social on social media, and how to analyze. So all that together, trust me, we've taught more than 4,000 people exactly this. This is the key to success. So I'm working on this. If you want to be notified when this course drops, send me a DM on Instagram or email me hello@catherineair.ca. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a wonderful, wonderful new year.